Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to disable the welcome animation in ITA Airways. The first thing you need to do is enter the app. Once you are done with that and you are in the home page, you can just look in the bottom of your right corner and press on the other option there. Now you can just press on settings and you can see here the welcome animation, press on it and now it's going to be disabled. That's all you need to do, and after that you can just simply leave the page and the change that you have made there will be saved. So that's pretty much it really. I hope this video was helpful to you. Thank you for listening and see you next time. Bye bye.